Welcome to e-lesson on general instruments and transmitters, line diagrams, process and balloon, instruments symbols, installation procedures and codes, presented by B. Venkateshwarlu, Senior Lecturer. General instruments and transmitters. On completion of this period, you will be able to know the different symbols for instruments and transmitters. General instruments. General instruments can be represented in a circle called balloon. General instruments can be represented in a circle called balloon. Inside the balloon will be a code. Code gives the information regarding the function and nature of the device. So, general instrument which is represented by the circle. Inside the balloon there is a code. The code gives the information about the function and nature of the instrument. 1. Instrument locally mounted. Simply circle. If it is a locally mounted device, it is a circle. Second one, instrument at control center. Circle in middle there is a line. 2 half circles. That indicates the instrument located at control center. The instrument bifunctional or 2 services sharing the two circles are sharing or which are used to bifunctional. Instrument transmitting, cross marking in the circle which represent it is a transmitting device. Level meters and flow meters. Instrument ball flow type. Instrument displacement type. Level gauge external liquid. Level differential pressure type. Gauge class. Level gauge. Side glass method of level meters. Flow meters office. The letter F indicates flow measurement. The flow measurement devices are types are orifice type, turbine type. There is a turbine symbol inside the rectangular box. Variable area meter, rotameter. Venturi meter, the symbol for Venturi flow meter, variable area rotameter, flow meter, turbine flow meter, orifice flow meter. Flow measuring instrument symbols, the orifice, Venturi tube, nozzle, variable area flow meter, turbine flow meter, positive displacement flow meter, electromagnetic flow meter. Gauges, thermometers and miscellaneous. Liquid level and type of the meter and its symbol. Liquid level, the symbol are shown. The pressure gauge, the meter symbol. Inside the circle, inside the needle is indicating. The P letter is written inside, which indicates a pressure. The vacuum meter, so V is written inside of the meter. Bulkhead joint expansion, bulkhead joint fixed. The meter displacement type other than electrical. orifice meter, C chest discharge type, C chest suction type. Power and heating plant equipments, air ejection symbol, blower chute, boiler steam generation, engine, evaporator, single effect, pump, reciprocating type, pump rotary type, turbine steam. The symbols for refrigeration equipment, coil and pipe, compressor, condenser, evaporative, condensing unit, air cooled, condensing unit, water cooler, switch, cutout high pressure, switch cutout low pressure, valve evaporator, pressure regulator, suction valve expansion, automatic, valve expansion manually operated, valve expansion thermostatic. Sensors, pressure sensor, the symbol for level sensor, PT100 DIN, platinum 100 thermistor, platinum 100 RTD with a dual in package temperature sensor, instruments flow sensor, adjuster, analog indicator, converts, I2P converter, electrical into pneumatic standardized signal, electrical signal to pneumatic, current transmitter with pneumatic standardized output, pressure transmitter with the electrical standardized output signal. Input is a pressure pneumatic signal, output is a electrical signal. Symbols for different types of transmitters. Pressure transmitter PT. The instrument is general instrument, locally mounted. Flow transmitter FT, a level transmitter LT, pressure transmitter, flow transmitter, level transmitter. Type of the instrument and symbols, transmitter, field mounted, a transmitter, the cross mark inside of the balloon, a circle which indicate transmitter. General when not necessary to differentiate location of the monitoring and operation, just show the circle. When necessary to differentiate the location and monitoring and operation, the location is a general instrument, control station inside the line of the balloon or circle, installed behind the panel, shows dash line inside of the balloon, local panel, double lines inside, switch inside the balloon or circle, there is a switch symbol. Summary, we have discussed about now the different symbols for instruments and transmitter controllers. Phase, 1. Identify the symbol for electronic flow controller. A. It is a pneumatic flow controller. C and D. The answer is D is correct. Flow controller electronic. Dashes lines. The frequently asked questions. Draw the symbol for following. A. Orifice, flow transmitter, venturi meter, D. Pressure transmitter. Assignment. Draw the symbol for following. Level transmitter, B. Level controller. Symbols for next topic is symbols for control valves and controllers. Upon completion of this period, you would be able to know symbols for different symbols for control valves and controllers. Recapping instrument locally mounted circle, instrument at control center, instrument bifunctional or two services, instrument transmitting. Basic symbols for different types of control valves. Valve, this is a valve symbol. Control valve, manual valve, manually operating. Backdraft damper, needle valve, butterfly valve, diaphragm valve, ball valve, name of the valve and symbol. Electrically operated control valve, hydraulically operated control valve, pneumatically operated control valve, safety valve, self-actuating valve whose symbol as shown. Self-actuating valve. Different valve symbols and their symbols. Gate valve hand operated, globe valve hand operated, plug or cock valve hand operated, check valve, butterfly valve, angle valve hand operated, control valve, solenoid valve, motor operated valve, piston operated valve, safety valve or relief valve. So gate valve, diaphragm valve, plug valve, ball valve, globe valve, needle valve, butterfly valve, check valve, and Bostock 3-way, 4-way, transflow, angle, flush, unspecified, fusible link, bulb, general, angle valve, 3-way valve, pneumatic flow controller. So FC indicate first letter is pneumatic flow, second letter is controller. So the double lines which can indicates pneumatic valve, pneumatic signal. So it is a pneumatic flow controller, pneumatic pressure controller PC, electronic flow controller, level controller, controller, farmer symbol, PI controller, Summary: we have discussed about different symbols for control valves and controllers. Quiz 1. Identify the symbol for electrically operated control valve. A, B, C. A is electrically operated, B is safety valve, C is hydraulic valve, D is so answer is A is correct, electrically operated control valve. The frequently asked questions from this topic: one is draw the symbols for following control valves: electrically operated control valve, hydraulically operated control valve, C pneumatically operated control valve. Assignment: draw the symbol for following control valves: A, safety valve, B, self-actuating valve. Line diagrams. On completion of the period, you would be able to know different line diagrams. Electrical line, so which indicates dashes line. Pneumatic line, a line with double crossing lines, double parallel lines on the parallel line. So that is a pneumatic line. Hydraulic line, the L-shaped line on the line which indicates hydraulic line. The signal is hydraulic line. Capillary line indicates cross marking on the line. So here line diagrams are electrical line, pneumatic line, hydraulic line, capillary line, and a fluid pressure line. The straight line, process line, thick straight line. Point of measurement, straight line, a single cross marking which indicate a point of measurement. Orifice installed line, so orifice meter is installed in the line. Sonic or ultraviolet radiation signal, a straight line with a sinusoidal signal. Undefined signal line, a straight line with single crossing lines on the straight line which indicates a undefined signal line. Electromagnetic or sonic signal, so sinusoidal line. Internal system links, mechanical link. Electrical binary signals as shown, line diagrams. Pneumatic binary signal. Line symbols are piping, line reducer, instrument air and ejector, hydraulic, electric line, capillary line, bursting or rupture disc, and line reducer, ejector, line strainer, steam trap. The first letter which indicates steam, second letter T indicates trap, steam trapper, flexible coupling. Summary: the following line diagrams are discussed: electrical line, pneumatic line, capillary line, hydraulic line, process line. Point of measurement: undefined signal, sonic and UV radiation. Quiz. The line diagram of a hydraulic line is A, B, C and D. The line diagram symbols. The answer is hydraulic is C is correct. The frequently asked question from this topic. Draw the line diagrams of the following. A. Electrical line. B. Capillary line. C. Pneumatic line. D. Fluid pressure line. Assignment 1. Draw the line diagrams for the following. A. Process line. B. Point of measurement. C. Undefined signal. D. Sonic or ultraviolet radiation. The following diagrams are discussed. Electrical line, pneumatic line, hydraulic line, capillary line, fluid pressure line. Next topic is process and balloon instrument symbols. On completion of the period, you will be able to know different symbols per process. Know the symbols for balloon instruments. Process symbols: vertical vessel, horizontal vessel with boot, plate exchanger. The symbol for the process symbols are shown in the slide. One is vertical vessel, horizontal vessel with boot, plate exchanger. Sump pump, tank, heat exchanger, kettle type, exchanger, centrifugal pump. Symbols for symbols of different process. Conveyor belt, the symbols for different processes are shown in the slide. Towers, plate or tray column, packed column, plate column with demister, stripping column with directly attached reboiler. Heat exchangers. Heat exchangers are shown in the slide. Cell and tube. The symbol is shown shell and tube. Shell and tube U-tube. Shell and tube U-tube. Cell and tube type. Plate type. Kettle type U-tube. Kettle type cell and U-tube. And fired heater furnace. Aerial fin pan. Here the last one is aerial pin pan. Balloon diagrams. An alternate term for circular symbol is used to denote and identify the purpose of an instrument, a function that may contain a tag number. Balloon diagrams, an alternate term for the circular symbols used to denote and identify the purpose of an instrument, a function that may contain a tag number. General instruments can be represented in a circle called balloon. Inside the balloon will be a code. Code gives information regarding the function and nature of the device. General instrument or function symbols are shown Primary location accessible to the operator 1. Field mounted and auxiliary location accessible to the operator. If it is a discrete instrument, circle inside, it is a primary location accessible to the operator. If it is a field mounted, just circle. Auxiliary location accessible to the operator, double line inside the balloon. Shared display, rectangular box inside the circle. It is the operator type inside the line. No line inside means that ends field mounted shared display. Auxiliary location is double line inside. Computer function is sure. One, two, three, four. And programmable logic controller. Rectangular box inside a diamond box. There is a line means inside that indicates primary location accessible to the operator. Programmable logic controllers, and field mounted does not contain a inside line. Double line means auxiliary location and accessible to the operator. A symbol size may be vary according to the user's needs and the type of the document. Abbreviations of the user's choice may be used when necessary to specify location. Inaccessible beyond the panel devices may be depicted using the same symbol but a dashed horizontal bar. This is the symbols or source or control engineering with the data from ISA 55.1 standard. Flow balloon diagrams, flow indicator and control. Automatic regulator with integral flow indication, flow indicator and control valve, flow control, automatic regulator without indication, so indicating variable area meter with the internal manual throttle valve, flow indicator, that is the instrument is a variable area meter with internally having a manual throttling valves. Restriction orifice, flow orifice meter, orifice pit capillary tube, restriction orifice drilled in a wall, flow sight glass, flow straightening vane, use of tag number 24 is optional. It is optional. Use of tag number is optional. The loops number may be the same as that of the associated with the primary element. Here flow side glass planar with paddle, wheel, flopper, etc. And control valve HV in process line and actuated on off switching valve in pneumatic signal line and control valve in a signal line. Pressure balloons diagrams. Pneumatic actuator valve, pressure reducing regulator, self-contained with hand wheel adjustment set point, pressure reducing regulator or controller with external pressure of tap of pneumatic, differentiate, pressure differentiator, reducing regulator, external pressure taps, back pressure regulator self-contained, back pressure regulator with external pressure tap, pressure reducing regulator with internal outlet pressure, relief valve and optional pressure indicator. Optionally pressure indicator is there, pressure controller and valve. The seventh one, which indicates a pressure relief or safety valve, general symbol, pressure safety valve. Pressure safety valve straighten through pattern, spring or weight loaded or with integral pilot. Pressure safety valve, vacuum relief valve, general symbol. Control valves, two-way valve, fail open, two-way valve, fail closed, three-way valve, fail open to path A to C, four-way valve, fail open to paths A to C and D to B. Any valve fail locked position does not change. Any valve failure intermediate. So any valve fail indeterminate, general symbol, the words laminar etc. may be added. Orifice plate flow indicator, flange or corner taps connected to differential pressure type flow indicator. Flange or other corner of the corner tap test connections without orifice plate. The fourth one shows orifice plate with vena contractor taps. The fifth one is orifice plate with vena contractor, radius or pipe taps connected to differential pressure type flow transmitter. The sixth symbol, which indicates radius tap test connecting without orifice plates. Level balloon diagrams. Level gauge, gauge glass integrally mounted on tank. Second one is gauge glass externally connected. Water column with internal gauge glass and alarm whistle. Fourth one is level indicator with two connections. Dual duplex level transmitter, level controller, transmitter control level with two connections. There is a tank and a level transmitter with one connection. Seventh one is level transmitter, differential pressure type, externally connected with dip tube. So eighth symbol which indicates level transmitter LT. So 13 means differential pressure type mounted on the tank. Level indicator flow type as shown. 10th one is capacitance or dielectric type level element connected to level transmitter, tag level element LE15. Level switch, LS, L for level, S for switch, paddle wheel with a lever type to measure level of solids. So 12 is the LX and LT, radioactive or sonic type level transmitter. With internal sensors. Temperature balloon diagrams. Temperature element with well element not connected to segment instrument. The second one which indicates field system type temperature indicator with well. Third one is the sixth one is bimetallic type thermometer, glass thermometer or other local unclassified temperature indicator. RTD applicable temperature indicator. Thermocouple resistance bulb RTD or thermistor connected to temperature indicator. Here also 8th one shows thermocouple connected to multi-point indicator, recording or multi-point scanning recorder. 9th one is thermocouple parallel wired to multi-point indicator and multiplied scan recorder, tag element TE13. 8 and between the 4 and 4. 10th one is dual or duplex thermocouple connected to multi-point indicator and multi-point scanner recorder, tag element TE15 to 7 and 16-2. Temperature elements multi-element thermocouple for different element variations with well in tank. The 12th one which indicates temperature indicator 20, thermal radiation type temperature indicator self-contained. The 13 which indicates furnace temperature element, thermal radiation type temperature element, temperature element surface mounted temperature sensor. Temperature temperature controller and temperature element. That is thermostat sensing ambient temperature. 15th. Vibration balloon diagrams. The vibration balloon diagram alternative treated as distinct loops, multivariable, alternative, low flow switch actuating one point of multi-point multivariable alarm annunciators, and third and fourth are level transmitters, alternative treated as a distinct loops. Fourth one is alternative 2, level signal received by one point of multi-point multivariable indicators, and vibration mechanical analysis, vibration transmitter for motor, second one is vibration switch manual resettable, third one is accelerometer with auxiliary panel readout, the fourth one is mechanical analysis in 3 planes, weight position balloon diagrams, tank weight position, weight orifice, weight transmitter direct connected, second one is weight strain gauge connected separate weight transmitter, strain gauge WE2, WT is a weigh belt scale transmitter, position and dimension, roll thickness transmitter, ZDX in the balloon source and conveyor ZDS, thickness switch radioactive type, TC is a temperature controller with a limit switch that is actuated when valve is closed to predetermined position, turbine shell or rotor differential expansion transmitter, tag primary element ZDE4. Alarms and indicator balloon diagrams. Alarms LAHH by 100, LAH 101, LALL 103. Separate alarms for abnormal, level, very high, high, low and very low. Separate alarms for ambient condition, normal condition, high level condition and high and alarm for low signal and low and very low. LL is very low. Common alarm annunciators for high and low temperature, TSH, TSL, TAHL by 100. Abbreviated symbolism for shared display systems, temperature indicator and controller, temperature alarm high, temperature alarm annunciator for high low. So controllers are temperature transmitter, temperature indicator and controller, self-contained on-off room, actuating circulating pump with thermostat. level control or cascade control, flow controller set by level controllers. So differential type is temperature transmitter and a temperature differential type indicator. So differential type temperature indicator 103, PDSH high differential pressure switch, pressure differential switch high. It is expected that control modes will not be designated on diagram. However, designations may be used outside the controller symbol if they desired, in combinations such as symbols as shown, percentage and S input and output. A controller is understood to have an integral manual set point adjustment unless means of remote adjustment is indicated. The remote set point designations is SP. We have discussed about know the different symbols for process, know the symbols for balloon instruments. Quiz: identify the symbols electrical operated control valve A, B, C, D. A is electrical operated. A is correct answer. Frequently asked question: draw the symbols for the control valves. A. Draw any 4 process symbols. B. What is a balloon diagrams? C. Draw any 4 balloon instrument diagrams. Next topic is installation procedures and codes. On completion of the topic, you will be able to know installation procedures and codes used in the process industry. Procedures and instructions for combination of instruments that measure more than one kind of variable that provide more than one kind of function. Each portion of the combination shall have its own identification. The instrument or equipment common to process shall utilize both identification. For example, a combination recorder for flow and pressure would be PR1 and FR5. Multiple and point measurements with all points of the same general service and all providing the same functions shall have one identification. The separate elements and their components shall be identified by suffix numbers added to the number of the item. Example: temperature recorder 1 to 1, temperature recorder 1 to 2, etc. For remote transmission instruments, both the receiver and transmitter shall have the same identification in the agreement with overall service and function of the item. Each control valve shall have the identification as the control instrument by which it is activated. When more than one valve is activated by the same controller, they shall be identified by suffix letters added to the number of them. Temperature recorder and controller 1A, temperature recorder and controller 1B. Where accessories such as valve positioners, air sets, switches, relays, etc. requires identification, they shall be assigned the same identification as the instrument to which they connect or with which they are used. Primary measuring elements shall be assigned the same identification as the instruments to which they connect. Where an element does not connect to any instrument, such isolated items shall be assigned separate primary element identification. Summary. In this class we are learning about installation procedure and codes used in process industry. Quiz. For combination of instrument that measure more than one kind of variable, each portion of the combination shall have its A. Different identification, own identification, C. A and B, D. Any identification. The answer is B. Own identification. The frequently asked question from this topic: explain installation procedure and codes used in the process industry. Installation procedures and codes. On completion of the topic, you will be able to know installation procedures and codes used in the process industry. Procedures and instructions. For combination of instrument that measured more than one kind of variable or that provide more than one kind of function, each portion of the combination shall have its own identification. Here the instruments or equipment common to two processes shall utilize both identification. For example, a combination recorder for flow and pressure would be PR1 and FR5. So pressure recorder 1 and flow recorder 5. Multiple point meters with all points same with general service and all providing the same functions shall have one identification. So separate elements, their components shall identify by suffix numbers added to the number of the item. Example TR1-1 and TR122, etc. For remote transmission instruments, both receiver and transmitters shall have the same identification in agreement with overall service and function of the item. Each control valve shall have identification as the control instrument by which it is activated. When more than one valve is activated by the same controller, they shall identify it by suffix letters added to the number of item. TRC1A, TRC1B, etc. Where access such as valve positioners, air sets, switches, relays, etc. Summary. In this class we are learning about installation procedure and codes. For a combination of instrument measure more than one kind of variable, each portion of the combination shall have its different identification, own identification, C, A and B, D, any identification. The answer is own identification. The frequently asked questions are: explain installation procedures and codes used in process industry. Thank you.